Jim and I took the ASA 101 class together, then decided to share the cost of chartering the school boat for 2 solo outings. The school would not allow one student to take the boat out unless there was another certified sailor, so this was a great opportunity for us to join forces and share the cost. Another school limitation is having only 3 persons on the boat at a time. Fatima joined us on the first week, and then Jim's wife joined us on the second weekend. Island time! Barnegat Bay is about 15 miles long and 3.5 wide, with the winds coming predominantly from the southeast. We had a beautiful sunny day with light winds, perfect for 2 newbies. Wind has died quite a bit, and we are doing a run right now, so we're doing good. We're moving. I mean, you can see the boat is moving. And the sail is all the way out, so that's good.
I can hear your heartbeat.
Died a little bit, so we're going through the flow. But we're still moving, which is good. As a last resort, we'll use our Mercury, which will take us back. No problem. What? Where's the dolphin? What's the dolphin around here, Fatima? The day is coming to an end. We're going in. We're gonna have to drop the sail pretty soon.
I'm glad we went today. That's pretty good.
We had 2 very enjoyable days, and our wives got to enjoy a day with us. I can't wait to own and sail my own boat.